Why make beats again?
What's up, 803 Whip Games? It's your boy. And I'm back with another video. We got this 81 Monte Carlo SS. My partner Stitch just finished up. Finna get him out here for y'all. Yo, Stitch! Get him to let y'all check this 81 Monte Carlo out, man. Oh, y'all been waiting on it. We kept this one hid. Yeah. Wanted to tell them about this thing, man.
What's happening? What's up, Tubesters and Tubettes? Man, we on 803 Whip Game channel, man. What they checking out, old Samuel?
Old Samuel Jackson.
Samuel Jackson. 81 Monte Carlo. We just blessed them out. Nice and clean. Back OG. Nothing crazy. Hey, this was a budget bill. Hey, he said he ain't have but this much, so that's all we did. Kept his factory bucket seats. We just did the gold inserts with the gold stitching. Had a little gold piping. Built them a nice little console. You know we had to throw that suede wolf in there. I said that suede wolf in there. Put that suede wolf in there. Stitched up the dash, fresh carpet. You know we had to make the seat belts match. Hey, wrapped everything wrapped. Wrapped the stitch, man. Y'all see it for yourself, man. Check it out. Got a nice little LS in here. I think it's a 6.0. Sound pretty good. Nice little Holley pulley system up front. He got his firewall smooth, so he gonna take it back to his paint man. Get all that fresh black. Let's see if it starts. That's crazy. Nice and clean. We ain't do the LS now. We ain't do the LS. But y'all see what we did. That's about that on that, man. Y'all know how it go. Whip of the weed, whip of the weed. I'll be back in a minute. I got work.